they both took the land at the same time, but they didn't know what each other were gonna build.
Is it to drive on the almost small? Or is it going to be like on your left, the wall
Underneath us.
There's a mini golf. Mini golf.
Oh, that's not one carnival.
Oh wait, that one. Is it like what do you mean that one?
It's like the carnival, but like.
Is it the one that we constantly wanted to go to, but we did go once and it was horrible?
I do remember that one, like, I always call it like, it was a place, and
On our left, we'll shortly be passing the original dwelling of one of Mandurah's early settlers, known as Hall's Cottage, a lovely example of an early pioneer home. Originally constructed sometime prior to 1836 and owned by the Hall family, it was sold in 1871 to the Suttons and is now leased to the Mandurah Historical Society.
yeah, that was like a place.
We are now approaching Station 8, King Carnival. The carnival on your right is a great place for children and adults alike, with everything from mini golf to adventurous rides. On the left is Mandurah's new war memorial. Built on the foreshore at the entrance to Port Mandurah Canals, the memorial opened in 2005 and is a favourite place for photographers. Just back behind us, of course, is Hall's Cottage, well worth a visit, although the cottage itself is only open between 10 and 3 on Sundays.
Yeah, it's definitely. Right, yeah, that one place that near it was a waterfall. That's like, oh, you'll go there next. You'll go next birthday. My next birthday, it was closed.
It's just trying to get that limestone books are like one of the most Australian things.
I must say that like every time I see something.
Oh, I remember it was like a really specific guy dancing on the Saturday. Or something like that.
Really? What?
And there was another one, like, you can't have a rooster on a plant.
Oh, there goes my weekend. Is this supposed to be like a setting for a holiday?
Yeah,
Even has the like, what's it called, like that where it has tiger where
the next setting was the next to Afghan, Freddie and Carnival.
mini golf and it's just from like this looks like this.
The most professional mini golf course I've ever seen.
Hey, I think there's a hole.
We are now approaching Station 9, Hall Park. Here you'll find canoes for hire and the skate park, plus a great family-orientated beach, swimming area and barbecue facilities. Hall Park is a great place to just relax and soak up the atmosphere of Mandurah Bay.
Hello. Any of that flavour.
Oh, it's fresh.
Stop the beta because we're so TV. I'm gonna act. No.
I thought the new year was going to give me $50 to treat. It's more than you realize you could do the swing, use the slide into your bike. Then you might sleep or just shaggy. Oh, just flat. You should have bought flat by yourself. In all honesty, I should have bought flat. Instead of just thumbs down. So you can take the computer use it. Facebook to use it. I can't play my robot. Hold on. It's just the fact. $1 I got you any of my places. Any of them.
For each of them, or like?
Every time you touch it, it's another $40.